Wait until you see the massive catch I found today.
I have been baiting this epic secret spot for a week. Fingers crossed it pays off. Grabbing my lucky rod and the best bait ever. Let's get this cast going.
Oh my gosh, we got a big one. Look at that total beauty.
Keeping them chill in this gorgeous spring while we start our mountain feast.
Tonight is gonna be so iconic. We are making braised pork and crispy pepper shrimp. Add in all the garlic and seasoning. This literal sizzle is making me so hungry.